All right, guys, it's the wife's first time to ride in the cart, but we put new wheels on the car, which we'll flip around and show you now, and show you Hiwasse Tire and Lube, our tire sponsor, who mounted them for us and everything like that. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you stick around, subscribe to keep up with everything that's coming. See ya. Hey guys, it's Mike. I'm out here with Jared Rubio at Hiwasse Tire and Lube, right? Out here just off of 279. Yeah, right off of 279. So we brought the Narx cart out, which you guys have seen him do all the work on it. He is our tire sponsor for the car. I don't know if he knows what he's signing up for because we're fixing to get crazy. But definitely message these guys, let them know what you need, and he can get it and get it done. So, all right. Anything special? You've had it, what, year and a half now?
Yeah, we owned the shop for about a year and a half. We just barely got it, and we love it out here, man.
Yeah, it's nice. Beautiful drive out and everything like that.
Yep.
So, all right.
You guys come, you guys can roast your tires on the driveway.
Yes.
So bring it on.
Yes, that's what we're fixing to do right now.